walked through valleys I once feared to name, turned every shadow into gentle flame. The ground gave way, I learned to rise instead, built brighter skies inside my head. I used to chase the noise, the storm, the pain. Now I let stillness fall like rain. No more breaking just to feel alive. I found a softer way to thrive. Calm after storm, that's the way I flow. Peace is the rhythm I choose to know. No more chaos calling me home. Calm after storm is my new norm. I wear my scars like threads of gold. Every story strung on something to hold. No need to fight what's come and gone. I bloom in light I stand upon. I am the quiet, I am the grace. I found my power in slow pace. Not every fire deserves a spark. I learned to glow without the dark. Calm after storm, that's the way I flow. Peace is the rhythm I choose to know. No more chaos calling me home. Calm after storm is my new norm. No looking back with heavy eyes, only forward where my freedom lies. I am enough, I always was. No need to question just because. So here I stand steady and warm, no longer shaped by any storm. Love is the ground I walk upon, and in myself I finally belong. Calm after storm,